Welcome, today I'm showing how to change screen recorder sound settings into a Motorola Moto E40. First of all, open your top navigation bar and find here screen record button. If you don't have this button here, tap to pencil on the left corner, scroll down, find in this block screen record and then press and hold and drag to top like this. Sorry, one more time. And now we add this button here, so click back for save your editing and now press our screen record. And before start recording, here we got record audio option. So firstly we can turn off or turn on record audio option by tapping on the switcher, and if we tap on our record audio we can change, for example, microphone audio, device audio, or device audio and microphone. So if we wanna device audio only, choose device audio and activate your record audio and tap start. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.